Hey guys, in this video we'll be looking at how we can enable Touch ID and fingerprint recognition on a Mac device. Now there's different things you can do with the fingerprint recognition. You can do stuff like locking and unlocking your device, and even you can do some purchases using the fingerprint. Now to enable it, you just need to go to the settings. So click on the Apple icon at the top left, go to System Settings or System Preferences, and then you want to look for Touch ID and Password. So on your sidebar, if we scroll down, we'll find it down here, Touch ID and Password. And when you click it, you see where it says Touch ID. So this one, like I said, allows you to use your fingerprint to unlock or lock your Mac. And also you can make purchases with the Apple Pay, iTunes, and so on. You can add more than one fingerprint here, and these are the different options that you can enable, that you can use with your fingerprint. Now I have two fingerprints here. You have the option to remove a fingerprint if you're having issues with them. You can just, if you hover your mouse over a fingerprint, you can click the X to remove it or delete it, and you need to put in a password. Now before you can enable the fingerprint, you need to have a user account that's set up with a password, because you'll need to input your password. So to add a new one, just click the plus sign, and then it's gonna tell you to place your finger on the Touch ID on your Mac device, and you just have to place your finger multiple times. So you touch it and then release, you hold, release until you fill out the entire section. So I'm gonna start the process here. So I'm just gonna touch it, release, touch. So this way it's capturing different portions of your fingertip. So you have to keep going, and it's gonna fill up until it's completely filled out. Once it's filled up, it's gonna say done. It's gonna say Touch ID is ready. Now I click on done, and it's been added, and that's pretty much it. Now for best results, it's best to make sure you clean your finger as well as your Touch ID. That way the sensor doesn't have any debris on it, or your finger doesn't have any debris on it. And like I said, you have to do it multiple times until you fill out that requirement. Once it's done, now you can start using your fingerprint. You can test it and make sure it's working as needed, and then you can add another finger if you want. So that's all for this video. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.